Hola, I'm Darkies and welcome to my studio. So, do you know what time is it? It's 100 subs giveaway time. All you have to do is to comment below, like, and subscribe. A random winner will be selected using Comment Picker. Please know that you must have a US shipping address. So what's the prize? It's a limited edition Giclee print of 50 prints total, meaning there will only be 50 prints ever for this painting. 50 prints of any size, so once those 50 prints are gone, they're gone. The prints are hand-signed in a fancy gold color, and they come with a description, a certificate of authenticity, care instructions, and a thank you. I'm also gonna be including a secret gift. And the winner is gonna be selected on October 2nd at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Once the winner is selected, I'll contact you via YouTube and have you send your info to giveaway@darkestart.com. And make sure you claim it within a week, otherwise it's gonna go to a backup winner. Thanks for watching! And if you haven't subbed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.